You know that feeling when you check your bank account, and instead of quickly closing the app in panic, you actually smile. Like when you stop wondering if you can buy that coffee, or if groceries mean eating noodles for the rest of the week. There's a key number where this change happens, and it's not what most folks expect. Most money experts say you need $1 million to feel rich, or that 6 figures is the magic mark. But here's what they're overlooking. There's a smaller goal that totally shifts how you handle money. And once you reach it, everything flips. That number is $20,000. My name is Nick, and I spend too much time pondering money mindset, and why some people easily grow wealth while others stay trapped in the same money habits for years. If you're someone who wants to grasp the true steps to building wealth instead of just wishing for better times, be sure to hit subscribe and thumbs up if this helps you view money in a new way. Now, before we get into why $20,000 is the real turning point, let me ask you. When you think about growing wealth, what pops into your head? Maybe you see a rich kid from a trust fund who never stressed about cash. Or maybe you picture someone working hard for years, piling up wealth $1 at a time. The truth is, wealth building doesn't go like most people believe. Here's what really goes down. There are certain money levels that work like hidden walls. Once you pass them, the game rules totally shift. $20,000 is the first big level that splits those who build real wealth from those stuck living check to check. And the wild part is, most people don't even know this level exists. Think about it like this. If you've ever tried rolling a big rock up a hill, you know starting it is the toughest bit. You're pushing hard, sweating a lot, barely moving, and doubting if it's doable. But once you get some speed, something cool happens. The rock picks up pace, and when you hit the top, it rolls down the other side with no effort. $20,000 is that spot where your money rock tops the hill. Everything before feels like fighting uphill against pull. Everything after feels like pull helping you. But here's where it gets super cool, and this might shock you. The gap isn't just numbers. It's not only more cash to put in, or bigger gains overall. The true shift happens in your head. When you lack savings, your brain runs in what experts call survival mode. Every money choice goes through fear and shortage. You grab the first job that shows up, even if it's bad, since you can't be choosy. You stick in spots you dislike because quitting seems too scary. You agree to stuff you hate because you need cash. This isn't just smart or careful. In survival mode, your brain can't focus on growth or chances. It's like planning a trip while your home burns. Your thinking space gets eaten by quick dangers and daily needs. But something amazing occurs when you pass that $20,000 line. Suddenly, your brain gets room to think fresh. Instead of, how do I last to next check? You ask, how can I make this money grow? Instead of reacting to money problems, you get ahead on building wealth. Studies from Vanguard show that just $2,000 in emergency cash lifts your money happiness by 21%. $2,000. That's under what most spend on a trip or nice computer. But that little cushion sparks a huge mind change because it pulls you from full survival. When you grow that emergency stash to 3 to 6 months of bills, which for many hits around $20,000, you gain another 13% lift in money happiness. But better yet, you've made space for your brain to eye wealth growth, not just holding on. Here's where the numbers get thrilling. Say you're stashing $1,000 monthly and getting 8% on investments. Reaching first $20,000 takes about 19 months of steady saving and investing. That's a year and a half of focus, cuts, and waiting it out. It's tough, and honestly, most quit midway. But here's the mind blower. Your next $20,000 skips another 19 months. It takes just 17 months. Why? Now that first 20,000 joins your monthly ads, making its own gains. Picture this. Same work, same monthly save, same risk level, but you cut 2 months off because more money pulls for you. That's compound interest powering up. By your third 20,000, time drops more. Your cash handles more load while you keep same push. And at big sums, speed gets funny. At $400,000 invested, next 20,000 hits in 5 months. What took near 2 years, saving now auto happens via investments. First goal feels out of reach, but each after eases up. Now, you might think rich folks tap secret investing spots normal people can't, like private funds or rare deals that open at high wealth. Sure, some truth at top end, but not fueling this $20,000 effect. The true key is simpler and way more hopeful. It's plain math on your side. Invest $1,000 growing 10% yearly. You gain $100. Same 10% on $10,000? $1,000 profit, same setup, time, risk. That's why 20K hits like a switch. Before, gains feel tiny on small piles. 10% on $2,000 is $200. Good, but not game-changing. But 10% on $20,000 is $2,000. Now that's real cash. With $20,000 in investments at 8% yearly, $1,600 lands in your account over a year, no work. Cash you skip earning at job. Cash from your cash hustling. Strategy no fancier than for $1,000, folks. Same index funds, brokers, rules. Just bigger size turns small percent wins to true steps. But here's what most miss total, maybe video's top point. Saving $20,000 does way more than stack cash in account. You rewire your brain and form key money habit ever. Sounds like feel-good talk. But hang on, this gets real useful. Think what saves $20,000 from scratch needs. Unless huge pay or free rent at folks, it takes real control. Track every buck spent. Say no to wants to stash cash. Fight itch to spend savings on next hot thing. Key, do it steady months or years. Here's the twist. You show yourself you boss money, not it boss you. You turn into one delaying fun when counts. Not just money skill, life skill. This self-change rocks since shapes all future choices. Before 20,000, $4 coffee took mind tricks on a Ford. After 20,000, small stuff no sweat. You know priorities set. You proved big cuts doable. But another mind flip at this point folks skip. You spot chances, not just risks. Paycheck life. Surprise costs feel crisis. Car fix, laptop crash, rent hike. Not chances. Money wrecks tanking month. But 20,000 banked. Same hits minor at worst. Car fix. Irksome, not end world. Laptop gone. Upgrade time better. Rent up. Hunt better spot or push pay. Better. See chances always there. Couldn't grab. Pal starts biz seeks backers. Before. Cool next. Now. Worth $5,000? Hot rental fix-up deal. Before scroll Zillow envy. Now crunch if invest smart. Boss says career conference out town. Firm no pay. Before excuses can't go. Now check if worth it. That's rich talk. Money to money. Not universe plot favoring halves. Cash gives choices. Choices make more cash paths. Here's more at $20,000 that'll flip budget views. Care less small costs, more big. Sounds off, but listen. Broke. Fixate every buy. Name cereal or cheap. $3 coffee or brew home? Premium gas regular? Eats brain since each buck key. Solid base. See tiny picks don't matter much. $3 coffee versus home may be $1,000 year extreme. Not zero, but no future maker. Big calls count. Home spot? Ride? Save rate? Invest place. Swing net worth thousands long run. Skip banana worry. iHome costs. Max pay. Solid invests. Focus switch freeze brain for real picks. Quit small stress. Think smart wealth build. Now, career after this goal. Gets fun. 20,000 saved, not just money tie change. Work tie too. Check life traps you current gig. Boss awful. Co-workers poison. Work dull. But can't bolt need next check live. Weak spot. No raise ask fear axe. No push dumb asks need gig more. No job hunt interview time risky. Stuck? All see. $20,000 flips all. Now, quit cash. Bail tomorrow. Coast months till better. Not wild bridge burn, but strong spot not beg. Mind flip hits career full. Ask deserved raise worst no. You okay. Push bad asks no fear fallout. Hunt chances risk okay. Crazy bit. Often skip using quit cash. Just it shifts work vibe. Bolder. Firmer. Tackle tough stuff. Show different? Folks see. Better tasks. Nods. Yeah. More pay. Secret power hope unused. Know their alters all moves. Best. Bolder success speeds wealth more options. Bolder. Up loop speeds. But most flop here. See often. Hit $20,000. Feel shift. Blow quick dumb. New ride reward discipline. Big trip earned. House down can't swing. Skip. $20,000 no prize. Base all money path. Seed to family wealth if weight compound. That laughs or hurts now. Average spends car life more than full free cash needs. Ponder. Payments. Insure. Fix. Fuel. $600 to $800 month ride. 40 years, $400,000 plus A to B. Wine no retire save. Like gym fee waste gripe, no good eats. Makes nuts. New car lot off drops 20% worth. Not spend kill wealth. Verse invest same spread. Not vanish watch, grow watch. Get it. Cars feel buys. Reliable sharp look, success feel. Fine if no trade. Payment feels rich, keeps broke. Here, 20,000 saved flips big buy view. Not monthly okay? Think true chance cost? $30,000 ride, not $30,000. $30,000 grow 200,000 plus, invest 20 years. Used solid ride no loss, smart future fund. Irony gem. Flash new ride guy stress cash. Old Honda guy quiet wealth sound sleep. Mind flip all big calls. House, school, trips, funds. Opportunity cost filter. Not crazy joy kill. Smart sure money intent spot. Surprise. Think so. Half wants fade. Bigger flat. Space nice. Worth free 5 years late? Pricey fun. Fun. Cheaper same kick. Not cheap miser no joy. Intent money, not leak junk, no care. Clear goals, grasp compound easy split. Want real want. Look, $20,000 no overnight rich, but base shifts money chance think. Survive versus thrive. React life versus shape it. Build base now future you bets this pick. Trust. Thanks you.